Nick? What you doing? Hey, sweetie. Yep, smells good, doesn't it? What you doing? Alright, see you later. Oh, hi. What you doing? Well, that stuff's no good from the outside. Going in? Going in, get a drink of water. Oh, come on. What you doing? No, you don't have food in there. Your food's in your cage, silly. Come on, dude. Nick? Where are you? Uh-oh. It's time to go in your cage. Come on. Oh. Come on, Nick. Come on. Time to go in. Time to go in. Come on. Aha, you've been corralled. Go on in. Go on in. You may not escape. There is no escape. No, no! Oh, he escaped. Do you think you can catch him? I can't catch him. Come on, Nick. Come on. Come on, baby. Come here. Stop him, puppy. Stop him. We're just gonna walk around the dog? Nick. Nick. You're a naughty piggy. You're a very naughty piggy. Oh. Napoleon. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? You're a terrier. You're supposed to hunt little critters. You're also supposed to shake them till they die, so I suppose it's for the best. Come on, naughty piggy. It's time to go home. It's bedtime. It's bedtime. Oh, come on! Puppy dog, you're no help. Come on, Nick. Come on. Come on. This way. Go on in. Come on. Time to go inside. Come on. Come on. Oh! Shoot. You just sit there looking innocent, huh? You could help. And there he goes. Good boy. That's a good piggy. Good night, Nick.